when we are training our students how to recognize and spell words, it's important to discuss spelling and the productive as productive phonics. And there are two ways which we can get help from, and these are described in Nation's book, EFL, ESL, teaching reading and writing. So these are called system and item learning. So let's have a look what means by system and item learning. System, uh, by system learning means that there are words um, which can be taught uh, by rules. For example, as you can see here, the example of the yacht, where we've got some silent sounds. Okay, and there are some words which can be taught by the unique rules, or there are some items which are called unique. So English is, of course, as one of the unpredictable languages in terms of training students, recognizing words and spellings. So this area has got attention in adequate attention in SLA research, second language acquisition research, and of course there are some problems faced by first language learners, I mean the native English speakers, in spellings and word recognition. So it's important to develop some awareness about the phonological effects of spelling and how they can have their influence, both positive and negative. So if we've got students who are good in recognizing words and spelling, they can become more fluent readers, and on the other hand, poor spellers can come across some problems in writing, or they might be more hesitant to avoid writing tasks. So of course, the phonics, the knowledge of phonics, actually the spelling sound relationship helps develop the reading, positive reading habits amongst students. So on the other hand, the item learning is a complex thing which can be taught through a series of stages. I mean, from these stages can be like introducing students some simple, known, or regular words. So one of the strategies in item teaching, recognizing words and spelling, is to let the students invent words. When they invent words, when we are more when we accept invented words, then the students become more confident, and that can help them to become more proficient spellers or word in terms of word recognizing. So it has both the positive and negative influence on language learning.